2009 Toyota Rav4. Car came in with a misfire, detected plugs and coils, not fixed the problem, came on the next day, but the customer doesn't really feel the misfire. So I do a little investigation, I scope the cylinder out, I go to pull the injector off to investigate the injector, and it's filled with fuel. So the tip of the injector actually leaked fuel inside the connector. It's just one of them. I wanted to do them all, but they decided to go with just one. So I'm going to change all the O-rings on the fuel injectors and just the number one fuel injector. So you could smell the fuel as soon as I unplugged it. It's dry. Not dry. Not very common, but I've seen it happen.